Welcome back to Consumer or Producer Series, where we peel back the curtain on the world's biggest industries to show you how to move from being a passive buyer to an active creator. I'm your host, and today, we tackle the single most transformative industry of our time, information technology. We all live inside the industry. Every swipe, every search, every purchase is an act of consumption. We use the apps, the devices, the social media platforms. We are the ultimate consumers. The IT industry, more than any other, offers the most direct, accessible, and high-impact path to becoming a producer. Think about your daily digital life. As a consumer in it, what are you doing? You are a user of apps, spending money on subscriptions or watching ads. You are a scroller of feeds, consuming content curated by others. Most importantly, you are a data provider, giving away the most valuable resource of the digital age, your information, for free. This consumption is effortless, but it makes you dependent. You rely entirely on a small group of global tech giants for your communication, entertainment, and even your professional tools. Now, let's talk about the producer in it. The producer builds the apps, owns the platform, and governs their own data. The barrier to entry here is shockingly low, but it requires a change in mindset. The information technology industry is fundamentally about knowledge, logic, and creativity. It is not about owning a factory. It is about knowing how to write the instructions for a computer. In the 21st century, coding is the new literacy. It is the language of production. As a consumer, you read the instructions that someone else wrote the app. As a producer, you write the instructions, the code. You don't need a 4-year degree to start. Free online courses, coding boot camps, and open source communities have democratized this knowledge. Starting with a basic language like Python or JavaScript allows you to build simple tools, automate repetitive tasks, or create your first website. This knowledge immediately moves you from being a user of a solution to being the person who creates the solution. The most successful producers, the original innovators, didn't set out to conquer the world. They set out to solve a specific problem. Think about a small frustration in your own life or your community. Maybe tracking inventory for your small market is too complicated. Maybe coordinating a neighborhood cleanup is inefficient. The consumer's response: I wish there was an app for that. The producer's response: I can build the first version of that. This is the power of a producer, using technology to create value from scratch. You become a digital artisan, crafting tools that serve a real purpose. This small solution can be your first product, which you can share, monetize, and scale. So how do you make the leap today? Become data fluent, understand how your data is used. Learn basic tools like spreadsheets or databases to manage your own information, not just consume the analysis of others. Learn a skill, not a tool. Don't just learn how to use Photoshop. Learn graphic design principles. Don't just learn how to use a specific AI chatbot. Learn the fundamentals of prompt engineering and computational logic. Skills are transferable, tools change every year. Start with automation. Identify one repetitive task you do every week. Sending a standardized email, sorting files, or backing up photos. Learn a simple coding or automation technique to do it for you. Congratulations, you've just created your first piece of productive software. Create digital assets. Instead of just posting on someone else's platform, create your own digital anchor, a simple website, a personalized email newsletter, or a small utility tool. This makes you an owner in the digital landscape. The beauty of the industry is that the raw materials, knowledge, creativity, and the power of the computer are accessible to all. The most powerful producers are not defined by their hardware, but by their ideas. At Keobik Mart, we don't just sell technology, we aim to sell the power of technology. Our challenge to you this week: don't just consume. Take the first step. Spend 1 hour learning the basics of a programming language. Write your first line of code. Stop being a passive recipient of the digital world and start shaping it. Move from consumer of information to producer of technology. The power is in the knowledge. If you are ready to transition from a consumer of services to a powerful information technology producer, you need the right tools. Visit www.keobikmart.com today to explore the strategic infrastructure that will help you work smarter and build your successful enterprise. Thank you for joining us. We'll see you next time on Consumer or Producer Series.